All right, here we are. We made it to the Geronimo Creek Retreat. Been ready to check these out because I thought it would be cool as hell. The teepee. I'll show you around here. As you can see, pretty awesome. See the inside here. AC, heat, Wi-Fi, couches, TV. There's excess right here. The pond. The barbecue pit right there. On the other side is tree houses and a river that you can float and raft and tube and things like that. But here you can check this out. It's an awesome view. Okay, and I'm sure you're probably going to be wondering, where is the restroom at? The restrooms are not in the teepee. Actually, you can see the teepees around, right? It's actually an outside source. So you'll see here, it's an outside house. And good thing is, it's not a community bathroom. Each one is assigned to your teepee number. Mine be a number 1. Actually pretty nice. A lot nicer than I figured it was going to be. I'm just glad we don't have to share a restroom. So that's an upside. I'd have to say, if you're thinking about coming to this place, it's definitely a go. Very clean, very pretty, has a lot of nature around here. Got these little, I don't know what these are, canopy tree houses. Has an actual huge tree house right there. Everything's complimentary here. Once you have established that you're staying here, they let you use all the canoes and rafts complimentary to the place. An awesome tree house.
All kinds of stuff in here.
Sweet. It has Jenga, foosball, pool tables.